Okay, so Google just released their latest product, Gemini, which is the latest advancement to their AI technology lineup. But the biggest part is that they also claim it is the largest and most capable language model Google has ever created.
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak.
Alright, so I'm going to be summarizing everything you need to know from Google's presentation on Gemini, and let's just get straight into it. To put it into simple terms, Google Gemini is a large language model built for multimodality. You might be asking, what is multimodality? Gemini is a multimodal language model, and what that means is that it can take in several pieces of information at once. This includes text, code, audio, image, and video. When it comes to the intelligence of Google Gemini, it surpasses the competition and for the first time is better than humans. Now, Gemini's testing is cut into two areas, text and multimodal. If we look into the text testing, the data shows better results coming from Gemini compared to GPT-4. And then looking at the multimodal testing, Gemini again is able to outperform GPT-4. But if we look deeper into the numbers, it actually shows that Gemini is only slightly better than GPT-4 in most of the areas. Okay, now that we know how powerful Gemini really is, let's look at some of the focuses it has. First is entity understanding. So what this means for Gemini is it wants to make a sense for the real world. It really wants to recognize what are objects and concepts, which include people, places, ideas, and many more. The second focus is relationship discovery. And this basically means that Gemini is looking for connections and interactions between entities. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the benefits that Gemini will bring in the future. So first is going to be the better search results, which we will get from Google. Now since Gemini is going to have so much more data, it can bring way better search results, being more accurate and helpful to the user. A big example that can demonstrate Gemini's power in the search results is going to be the classic phrase of something near me. So for example, if you put in pizza near me right now, a bunch of pizza places will come up, but nothing to your specific desires. So once Gemini has enough data and says, oh, you like thin crust pizza, you'll be able to get places with your specific needs of pizza. And then the second biggest benefit that we're going to get from Gemini is going to be through the Smart Assistants AI. This means the Smart Assistants can actually be more informative to us even when we give less information. Another thing to note is that Gemini is going to come in 3 different sizes. First is going to be Gemini Nano, which is their on-device task Gemini. Second is going to be Gemini Pro, which is used as a model for scaling across a wide range of tasks. Lastly is going to be their largest and most capable model, Gemini Ultra, which is used for highly complex tasks. But that's all you need to know right now for Google Gemini, so let me know if you're excited for this in the near future, as well as leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this one. I'll see you in the next video.